Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a dynamic glitch effect to text inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up CapCut and I'm going to continue with an old project of mine. And now I've got this video here, so I want to add a dynamic glitch effect to the text. So what I need to do, go back to the start of the video, click on text. And now click on add text. And now I'm just going to put in some random text here, like so. You can choose a font if I like. So I've got some free version or pro version of CapCut font. If you want to check out CapCut Pro for free in a 7-day trial, I will leave a link in the description below. So I might change this to freehand. What does that look like? Yeah, not too bad. I'm going to change the size and line up the text a bit better. Now once I've done that, I'm going to go to animation. Then from here, I'm going to scroll down and look for glitch. So it's kind of near the middle. Keep scrolling down here. Here we go, we've got a glitch here. This is a pro feature inside CapCut. So there you go, that looks pretty cool. We can adjust it as well, left to right on this slider for the glitch to be longer or shorter. So if I want a 5-second glitch or longer, say a 2-second glitch. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on the tick button and I'll go ahead and play this video. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And then from here, go ahead and export your video.